Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic Swamp Thing Revisited TTYL 017. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Sista Chic's Swamp Thing Revisited. And it's so pretty. It's like a murky green with this insane blue teal shimmer going on in it. It's one of those pretty uglies in my opinion. I love polishes like this. They're unique, and I always enjoy things that are just a little bit different, you know? So the first coat's going on really well. It is sheer. Hi Woody, how you doing? But it's going to build up beautifully here on the second coat. Now depending on how long your nails are and your application, you might need 3, but I'm pretty sure this is a 2-coater. There we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this to dry down so we can do some stamping. And here is Swamp Thing Revisited on its own. This is TTYL 017. I'm going to pull this blue film off of it, get it cleaned up so that I can use it today. Get that acetone going across it, and I wipe it with a paper towel just to make the smudges go away. And I've got this Twinkle Tea, and it's like an aqua color, a metallic aqua, and I thought it would look really pretty over this. I got my Nailtiques stamper and scraper out today. I love that monocle stamper. It's one of my all-time favorites. I can't tell you how many of them I've bought over the years. I just love them. There's those little butterflies. I put that on my ring fingernail and my thumbnail. And I'm going to use this kind of like mosaic looking image on the other nails. I just, wanted to mix it up a little bit. Just have a little something else going on. So I want y'all to watch this. I'm going to put this one on my index finger. And since my nails are so short, there's enough image left that I can recycle this and put the little one on my pinky. Some of the benefits of having short nails. So we're going to go ahead and swatch this image out again and use it on my middle fingernail. So here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so I'm going to clean my stamper up on a lint roller, and that plate's going to get cleaned with pure acetone again and wiped with a paper towel. This is how I like to clean them up before I put them away. And a lot of times I also clean them with pure, or not pure, but like, alcohol also. Same method, cotton ball, paper towel. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape here and clean up some of this excess off of my skin. I will warn you that if you ever use this trick here and you've got a peel-off base coat, you could run into some issues. I have before. Now today I didn't use a peel-off, but you got to be careful because sometimes it'll pull the whole thing up. Going in with my cleanup brush here, making sure to get up under there. I don't want no bunch of polish up under there. There we go. I will be using smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques today over this stamping. I just have such good luck with it. And once it's dry, I'll be topping it all off with Poshe as my final top coat today. So many layers, I know. But I really enjoyed this one. It was a little different, getting away from the spring colors and the neons that I'm so attracted to. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I thought it'd be just nice to go ahead and, play with something a little different. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. I love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.